Okay, on this video today I'm going to show how to 8-boot Linux Mint 19.1 Xfce with Windows 10 UEFI. This is I'm planning to have up to 60 operating system installed on this laptop. So you should I will have the video description of how to course install Linux Mint, so you can follow this tutorial. So to start the installation, just double click on install Linux Mint. So select your language, click continue. Select your keyboard layout, click continue. I recommend not to connect to the internet. Click continue. I recommend do not install any software. Do it after the installation. Post installation, I will have a video showing how to post installation guide. Click continue here. Select something else. So and click continue. Okay, as you can see here, I have the UEFI partition, I have the swap partition, and I click here on the free space. And right click, select add. I want 20 gigabyte partition. So 2480 is the 20 gigabyte. and then select the mount point here. Click OK. It's going to create a partition SDA 11. That's where we're going to install Linux Mint Xfce. The SDA 9 is Linux Mint Cinnamon Edition, and the SDA 10 is Linux Mint Mate or Mate Edition. So that's where it's going to be installed. Click install now. Just click on continue. Select where you are in the world here. Click continue. Okay, for the computer name here, you can use whatever name you want to give to it. Mine, I'm going to use PC1. I'm going to pause. I'll take a screenshot first. I'm going to pause and create my username and password here. Now I just have to wait. It's going to take maybe like 10 minutes to finish the installation. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, just click, the installation is finished. Just click continue testing here. Okay, the next video is going to be how to boot Ubuntu 16.04.6 LTS. It has the Unity desktop environment. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share, give a like, and have a nice day. Any questions, leave in the comments below. And that's it for now. See you in the next video.